monna yo mogolo o buile mogokgo wa pele wa Mamelodi Sundowns Pitso Mosimane o feditse a bua ka kamano ya gagwe le setlhopha sa Kaizer Chiefs mo thulaganyong ya ga Robert Marawa mme ga ka a ikgogana. Mosimane o tlhalositse gore mo malobeng o kile a nna fatshe le baetapele ba setlhopha sa Kaizer Chiefs e leng Bobby le Dikgang Motaung. Mosimane yo itsegeng ka Jingles o ntse a sena setlhopha sa gagwe go feta ngwaga mme bosheng jaana o ne a dumela gore o tla akanya go tsaya maemo a gagwe fa ka batliwa ke diganka tsa Soweto.
Rob, I've answered this question so many times, but I understand that it will always come back.
Yeah.
I've said it. I never say never. And I'm a football coach. I'm a professional coach. Why should I not coach Kaizer Chiefs? Why should not I coach Orlando Pirates? Why should I not coach Mamelodi Sundowns? I'm a professional. I'm a football coach. Anytime there is a request or there is a proposition or an approach, I mean, we are humble enough. I mean, Ria is at Kaizer Chiefs. I'm there every second week. Every second week I'm at Kaizer Chiefs. I'm watching Ria play. I'm at Natureno. So
it's an easy call if it had to happen.
I'm there.
You're present.
Yes, myself.
Physically,
yes.
Yeah.
So maybe, I don't know. Maybe one day it will happen.
But what do you think the difficulty is? I mean, if you had to talk,
I don't know.
Like,
you can't put it on me because
you can't approach yourself.
You can only put it on me once it's on the table. Then you can ask me, you accepting it or you didn't accept? What does the point? I don't want to talk about something that doesn't exist. You know, it's like what, Rob? It's like I go to, what can I say? It's like I go to the stadium now. Chiefs is playing. I'm in the grandstand, and everybody sees me, and the camera might come across, and then I'm putting the coaches on the bench under pressure. I'm marketing myself. I don't need that to do that. Why not? I mean, if you ask me, would you coach Bafana again? Of course. Why not? You know, so I've always said it. South Africa is the place where I was molded, man. I was given an opportunity in Mamelodi Sundowns to do what I do, and thanks to Safa also for Safa even educated me.
Yeah.
Right. So why not? And if I have a problem with Kaizer Chiefs, this man is playing at Kaizer Chiefs every week.
Your heart is open and pure to the prospect of anything, because
I'm a professional.
If a 14-year-old who is your son
Yes.
is playing there and you physically go and support him, it really means you got no problem with walking
What's
through
the
the streets
issue?
of Nigeria.
What is the issue?
What if they say, Coach, are you overpriced? Are you demanding too much money? Because you've had this experience on the continent and you've won the success in North Africa, that you might not be affordable.
Rob, I must tell you now, right? And I don't want to blow my trumpet. Every maybe 10 days, I would say, average, there is somebody who says, do you want to come over here and coach? I can show you my phone. But also, is it the right timing with other people? Is it right to go there? Also, Champions League means a lot to me. But more importantly, even now, the Cup of Nations means a lot to me. I've never won the medal. I'm not saying I will win the medal, but I'll give it a try. Why not? Because we